Ever felt like you've invested in the perfect tool, the solution to all your business woes, only to find yourself staring at it one day, wondering, is this really it? Especially when that tool is something as robust and, let's be honest, expensive as NetSuite. I mean, we're talking about a comprehensive cloud ERP system designed to streamline everything, right? So why, then, do we see companies, even substantial ones, making the tough call to move on? Why do people leave NetSuite? It's a question that's been buzzing around the ERP world, and it's not as simple as pointing to one single flaw. It's a complex interplay of factors, a kind of perfect storm of business needs, expectations, and, well, sometimes just plain old growing pains. Think about it. You've done your research. You've seen the demos. You've heard the success stories. You've probably even convinced yourself that NetSuite is the silver bullet, the key to unlocking the next level of growth. You invest time, money, and resources into implementation, training, and integration. You expect a transformation, and often it delivers. For a while. But business is a living, breathing thing. It evolves, it changes, it throws curveballs. And what works today might not work tomorrow. That's where the cracks start to appear. Let's break down some of the key reasons why companies decide to part ways with NetSuite. And trust me, these aren't just gripes. They're real, tangible issues that can significantly impact a business's bottom line. First, and perhaps most commonly cited, is the issue of cost and complexity. NetSuite, while powerful, comes with a hefty price tag. We're not just talking about the initial subscription fees. We're talking about implementation costs, customization costs, ongoing support, and, of course, the inevitable upgrades. For many small to medium-sized businesses, the cost can become prohibitive, especially as they scale. And let's be honest, NetSuite isn't exactly known for its simplicity. It's a complex system with a steep learning curve. The sheer number of modules and features can be overwhelming, even for experienced users. This complexity can lead to longer implementation times, increased training costs, and ultimately a lower return on investment. Think of it like buying a high-performance sports car when you only need to drive to the grocery store. It's overkill, and you're paying for features you'll never use. Next up, we have customization and integration challenges. While NetSuite offers a degree of customization, it's not always enough to meet the specific needs of every business. Some companies find themselves needing to make significant modifications to the system, which can be expensive and time-consuming. And then there's integration with other systems. Many businesses rely on a variety of software applications, and seamlessly integrating these with NetSuite can be a major hurdle. Compatibility issues, data migration problems, and API limitations can all contribute to a frustrating and costly experience. Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. You can force it, but it's going to cause problems down the line. Another key factor is scalability and performance. While NetSuite is designed to scale with your business, it can sometimes struggle to keep up with rapid growth. Companies experiencing explosive growth may find that the system becomes slow and unresponsive, impacting productivity and efficiency. Performance issues can also arise from complex customizations, large data volumes, and network latency. When your system is slow, your business slows down. Think of it like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. You're going to struggle, and you're not going to reach your full potential. Then there's the issue of vendor support and responsiveness. While NetSuite offers support services, some customers have reported difficulties getting timely and effective assistance. Long wait times, generic responses, and a lack of personalized support can leave businesses feeling frustrated and abandoned. When you're dealing with a critical system like NetSuite, you need to know that you can rely on your vendor for support. When that support is lacking, it can erode trust and confidence. Imagine calling a plumber with a burst pipe and getting put on hold for hours. You'd be understandably upset. We also have to discuss changing business needs. As businesses evolve, their needs change. What was once a perfect fit may no longer be adequate. Companies may find that NetSuite lacks the specific features or functionality they require to support their new business models or growth strategies. For example, a company that expands into e-commerce may find that NetSuite's e-commerce capabilities are not robust enough to meet their needs. Or a company that launches a new product line may find that NetSuite's inventory management features are not flexible enough to accommodate the changes. Think of it like outgrowing your clothes. You need something that fits your current size and shape. And let's not forget the rise of alternative solutions. The ERP landscape is constantly evolving, with new vendors and solutions emerging all the time. Companies may find that there are other systems that offer better value, more flexibility, or more specialized features. Cloud-based ERP systems are becoming increasingly popular, offering greater accessibility, scalability, and affordability. Companies may find that these alternative solutions are a better fit for their needs and budget. Imagine walking into a store and finding a new brand of shoes that are more comfortable, more stylish, and less expensive than your old ones. You'd be tempted to switch, right? Finally, we need to address the implementation process itself. A poorly executed implementation can set the stage for future problems. If the implementation is rushed, poorly planned, or lacks adequate training, it can lead to user frustration, data errors, and ultimately a failed project. A successful NetSuite implementation requires careful planning, meticulous execution, and ongoing support. When these elements are missing, the project is likely to fail. Think of it like building a house on a shaky foundation. It's going to collapse eventually. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.